Hi everyone! So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily track your order on DHgate in your mobile phone. So let's head over to DHgate app, then head over to account. First is make sure that you are logged in to your DHgate account. And from the same page, you can access the orders section. Just click on view all. And from here, you can see the status of your order, the awaiting payment, awaiting shipment, shipped, social saving, awaiting reviews, return or refund, completed, and cancelled. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can easily track your orders on DHgate on your mobile phones. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!